Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Lila coming back at you in another video. And today I'm here with my best friend at her house. Claudia, ooh, I just licked me. So we built a sheep fort, my baby. So we're gonna show you that in a second. And today we did sport captain. Oh, we went for sport captain and vice captain. I went for captain because I'm a year 6, she's a year 5, which I've known her all my life.
I'm just eating hot glue gun.
Oh, that's what I was doing before. I'm like chewing at it. Okay, so we'll show you it in 3, 2, 1. That was really shit, but oh!
So this is our box for.
Hello. This is down the bottom where we entrance. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's right there. We entrance to that chair. So it's really bad because I'm on my laptop and it's really hard to.
Where, like the blue part,
Hello.
this grey part is like kitchen / lounge room bit, and the aqua part is Lila's room, and then behind the aqua part is my room.
Yeah. So I'll show you my room and then I'll show you her room. 3, 2, 1 will be in my room. Okay, so this is my room. As you see, I have my pillow, my blanket. I have a thicker blanket here. And then there's Claudia. She's chilling there because she hates sleeping near that big window over there. So now I'll be back once it hits like 3 o'clock, and we'll still have a light on because I don't want that happening. You know? Hey guys, so Claudia, it's like currently like 4 a.m. and Claudia is literally still sleeping. She keeps waking up, so I'm just waking up so I can wait for her to wake up. And I think she's about to wake up. She keeps moving around. I'll show you. So you're waking up. Do you need a drink? What time is it? It's currently like 4:54. We're supposed to wait. No, I need to get a drink. I'll be back once we get a drink. So guys, Claudia's just currently getting a drink. I think she'll be back any second now. I just burped. We're wide awake right now because it's now currently 5:30.
And I'm really weak.
5:47. So we're gonna try. Stay up all night. We're so loud. Oh my god. We're gonna have that as we're awake all night. So she's on the phone messaging my friend.
Oh,
Maui. Yeah, my friend. You know, I'm joking. I sliced my finger open. I think you can't see it. So you know when there's razors, they dropped on the ground. And I was like, oh, I'm funny. So I picked it up by the razor side and it went boom. I'm a dumbass. Funny. My voice is ugly. So we'll do like single and we're recording it, see what our voice sounds like. I feel like it sounds the same. I'm scared.
Sorry, guys.
So, okay, you having fun then?
Because we're going to start before semester.
I'll just don't tell them over here.
We don't live in Scarborough.
We live in City Beach. It's really fun. Yeah. So I cut you off. Okay, so I'll be back and I'll be showing you guys. And I live in City Beach. She lives in City Beach. City Beach, yeah. But I live like near the beach. She lives
my dad's house is near Karen up, and my mum's house is near like Karen Scarborough Beach.
We're currently at a mum's house,
which is near Scarborough Beach. So, and where Scarborough Beach is, it's near the pool. So we'll just go there tomorrow.
Okay, so I'll be back once
to make sure 7.
Oh,
sorry guys. So we'll see you soon.
Oh, Cybernorris is a legend, man. Okay, so I'll be back once I have made like a mini intro thing because I'm being shit. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, so I couldn't make the edit. I'm so sorry. So we're gonna make the edit. It's current. Well, I'm gonna make the edit next time. It's sort of brighter. You can hear people in the background because they're getting ready for work and stuff. It's now currently 6:51. Well, I don't know. My time's wrong on my laptop. I'm joking. Okay, so now we're gonna end this video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll do More better ones, way better ones, because we don't do clickbait. I hate clickbait. If you want clickbait, go watch Ruby Rube and Guava Juice. Bye.